Hello viewers, today I am going to tell you about how to make a rocket in C language. So let us start with the Happy Diwali celebration. This is for you. Happy Diwali in advance. So now start the program. Like every day, I will first include the header file, then some variables which is necessary for animation to detect the graphic mode. First is GD detect is a graphic driver, GM is for graphic mode, area which I have to capture in get image, left coordinate and top coordinate of the rectangle or bar, then mid x and mid y, and then radius 10 or radius 100 for the diya. I am also showing you a diya which I already told you in a previous lecture, which you can find from my channel or my YouTube channel. And then you have to initialize the graphic mode, then get the mid position of the x coordinate and y coordinate, then loop through the fill pattern, and this is for the diya. First of all, you have to set the filling style, that is solid full blue, fill blue, then mid position, mid x and mid y, then 100 I am adding to shift the y position, then 80 and 20 ellipse, keep ellipse coordinates, then solid fill red, blue is the outer side of the diya and red is for the inner side of the diya. And then I started the loop, for loop, in which I will fill the light of the diya from different way, and then in a yellow color, and then making the flame fill ellipse mid x, mid y, x radius and y radius. X radius and y radius define the flame width and height, and then solid fill, user fill, and then set color I. I's start from 0 to 12. When I set a get maximum color, then it will set the color white. Then I made a bar for the rocket, bar left top, left 75, top 25, left I have initialized by 50 and top I have initialized by 100. So left top, then right and bottom position will come. Left plus 75 is right and top plus 25 is bottom. Then rectangle I have made for the stick of the rocket. Then the conical portion of the rocket I have made by these two lines. And then I get the area where I have created the rocket, that image size 10, top left plus 100 and top plus 50. So this will capture a whole image of the rocket. Then P equals to malloc area. Malloc is the buffer in which we store the area where I have created the rocket. Then set color white and set text style sans serif font name, and then horizontal dir, comma 2. Where I have given comma 2 means I am increasing the size of or boldness of the font, and then out text 150, 450. Then it will print rocket animation. This is the position of the bottom of the animation where it display the rocket animation. Then set color blue, and then rectangle in which the rocket will move is start from 0 0, that is the home position, and 639 and 449 is the maximum position of the screen in graphic mode. Then get image 10 comma top left plus 100 top plus 50 comma p. P is the pointer which point to the area where I have captured the rocket. Then put image. When once you get the image, then you have to put the image one by one to move the rocket from left to right. For that, first time when you put the image, the rocket will appear on the screen. Then you have to shift the rocket one by one on right hand side. For that I have created the loop I equals to 150 comma I less than 500 I equals to I plus 50. Why I have taken the 500? Because the maximum side which right side I have decided to 639, and the rocket size is almost 150. So when I say 500, then it will reach on the last point of the screen. Then when I put the image, then clear device will clean the screen. So the first image which is created by the put image will disappear, and again when I write put image I comma top comma p comma zor put, then again the rocket will shift right side and appear on the screen. Then delay, I have used delay to see the rocket for some time on the screen. Then get ch, close graph, return. This is all the program. If you like this animation, please share, subscribe and enjoy. Happy Diwali. This is my channel link. You can go there and you can get more animations and more program over there. That is IT Informer Ratan Agarwal, always with you to give you a tutorial. Please comment to give idea if you like this animation tutorial. Go to my channel to get more like this tutorial. Please run full to get source code. Share to promote me. Subscribe to get more videos. Please subscribe. Now I'm going to show you how to run the C program. This is your C program which I have to run. I show you in a PowerPoint because it is very small, and when I increase it, still it is not on the screen. It is giving a big, but the program is not recording the big. So please run here. Pointer R, run. So let's see. The DIs came here and the rocket is waiting to start to go from right side. So this way you can make the rocket and you can run it. Again, if you want to see, then please see. You can change the different filling type. You can change the color of the rocket, and then you can move the rocket from left to right. This is all today. Thank you viewers. If you like it, please share and comment. Thank you.